Welcome to today's video. Traveling as a breastfeeding mom comes with unique challenges, and navigating airport security is one of them. The right nursing bra can make all the difference in ensuring a smooth and comfortable experience. In this video, we'll share the must-have nursing bra features for stress-free airport travel, along with tips to make your journey easier. Stick around for a bonus tip at the end on how to pack your carry-on for breastfeeding convenience. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other moms. Let's start with what to look for in a nursing bra for airport travel. Wire-free comfort. Avoid bras with underwire, as they can set off metal detectors and add unnecessary discomfort during long travel days. Tip: opt for soft, stretchy fabrics that adapt to changes in breast size. Easy access for nursing or pumping. Choose a bra with one-handed clasps or pull-down cups for quick and discreet feedings. Tip: test the clips before traveling to ensure they're easy to use on the go. Pro tip: share in the comments your go-to nursing bra for travel. Next, let's talk about airport security-friendly features. No metal hardware. Select bras without metal hooks or underwire to avoid setting off alarms during security checks. Tip: look for bras with plastic closures or seamless designs for added convenience. Breathable material. Airports and planes can get warm, so choose a bra made from moisture-wicking fabric to stay cool and dry. Pro tip: let me know in the comments what fabrics you find most comfortable for long travel days. Now, let's discuss additional nursing bra travel tips. Pack an extra bra. Accidents happen. Having a spare bra in your carry-on ensures you're prepared for leaks or spills. Tip: store your extra bra in a resealable bag for easy access and protection. Consider built-in pads. Nursing bras with built-in pads provide extra leak protection, especially during flights when pumping or nursing might be delayed. Pro tip: disposable or reusable nursing pads can be lifesavers. Keep a few handy in your bag. Share your favorite brand in the comments. Here's how to make your airport experience smoother. Wear layers. Pair your nursing bra with a nursing-friendly top and a cardigan or scarf for added privacy and comfort. Tip: layers make it easier to adapt to varying temperatures on the plane and in the terminal. Plan pumping or nursing breaks. Check the airport's lactation room availability ahead of time to schedule breaks without stress. Pro tip: use apps like Mamava to locate nursing rooms in airports worldwide. Let me know in the comments how you plan for nursing or pumping during travel. As promised, here's your bonus tip. Pack your carry-on with essentials like a nursing cover, breast pads, a travel-sized nipple cream, and a water bottle to stay hydrated. Keeping these items within reach makes breastfeeding on the go much more manageable. Thank you for watching this guide to nursing bra must-haves for airport security. Traveling as a breastfeeding mom doesn't have to be stressful when you're prepared with the right gear and strategies. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share it with other moms. Share your travel tips or nursing bra recommendations in the comments. I'd love to hear them. See you in the next video.